I hope this video served as inspiration how brands choose me. Disclaimer, my earnings are not substantial. All start from humble beginnings. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm pretty sure you know already. You've clicked on this video because you are curious about how I make money on YouTube with my 2,000 followers. In this video, I will share with you the 3 ways on how I make money on this platform. Disclaimer, my earnings are not substantial, but every bit counts. Over time, it can accumulate into something significant. So of course, first on the list is the YPP or YouTube Partner Program.
Your creativity deserves to be rewarded. That's why the YouTube Partner Program offers more ways to make money from your channel and community than anywhere else. Let's walk through how to qualify, apply, and get approved, and what becomes available to you once you're in. To apply for the YouTube Partner Program, you must follow YouTube's channel monetization policies, live in a location where YPP is available, have no active community guideline strikes on your channel, have two-step verification turned on for your Google account, have advanced features access on YouTube, be ready to set up or link an AdSense for YouTube account, and hit one of our eligibility thresholds. To earn with fan funding and certain shopping features, the thresholds are 500 subscribers, 3 valid public uploads in the last 90 days, and either 3,000 valid public watch hours in the past year or 3 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. As you continue to grow, you'll unlock revenue sharing from ads and YouTube Premium once you hit 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 valid public watch hours in the past year or 10 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days.
I became monetized after meeting the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 hours of watch time. All the videos that I upload on YouTube generate earnings, even those with minimal views. While they may not earn as much as the viral videos, they still contribute. And if I reach $100 by the end of the month, it gets deposited into my account. So second is the brand collaboration. Collaborations often make more money than the monetization. You might wonder how brands choose me even though I don't have a lot of subscribers. They select based on authenticity and, of course, reasonable rates. I've collaborated with brands where I showcase their products on my account. But I've also worked with brands to create videos for them, which they can post on their social media accounts. And I charge per video. And lastly, there's affiliate marketing. I am still exploring this revenue. Similar to monetization, the earnings here might not be substantial at first, but over time, they add up. I'm an Amazon affiliate, so I have links in my bio if you're interested in checking them out. As I mentioned, my earnings are nothing compared to those with large followings. However, always remember, we all start from humble beginnings. I hope this video served as inspiration, particularly to those with 2,000 subscribers or less. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please comment down below. Bye!